In our trader rundown today, Alan Knuckman of Bullseye Option joins me to take a look at the trading action. Good to have you here, and there's plenty to talk about.
Yeah, the markets are on the move. We had that unwind on Friday, so we had an asset sell-off. Now, it was everybody across the board, so it's important to see how the markets recover. It wasn't just stocks, it was metals, it were treasuries, it was oil, everything got whacked.
So traders have to consider, though, what's going on with this ceasefire in Syria, the nuke test in North Korea, and then the global markets are rattled because of the possibility of a rate hike here in the United States by our Fed.
Right, but let's remember that the rate hike possibility is still very small. It's been risen from about 10% probability to 25%. So where I come from, that's still not likely to happen. But the markets need an excuse to take profits, and we've been trading sideways, so we saw a breakdown. It had been 50 sessions since the markets had a 1% sell-off. So that's a long time and needed a little bit of a correction.
You mentioned the metals getting hit here, so would you put on a metals play?
Well, I'm looking at the metals market. I think it's an opportunity. That's been one sector that's done very, very well since January 1st. The stock I'm looking at is Freeport-McMoRan. Now, that stock has been up about 50% so far this year, a nice, healthy return, but let's remember where it came from. It was a $4 stock, bounced up to $14, so I still think there's more upside now that it's had a break and it's stalled out at this $10 level.
You do. Where's the stock going from here in your mind?
Well, it's been trading sideways now since April, between 10 and 14, so I'm leaning on this $10 level, looking to buy the $8 call, an in-the-money call, so the break even on this is about 50 cents higher, and if you can get back to that 14 level, then that option will about double in value. But let's remember, this stock was at $40 in 2014, so it is beaten down.
So would it ever go back to 40?
Well, 40 is a long way. I'm not expecting that much, but I'm looking forward to get back up to 14. That's more modest expectation. So the risk reward is on the bullish side here at these levels, leaning on that $10 level. And I think the key component here is that I don't think the dollar is going to strengthen. And if the dollar doesn't strengthen, that can support those metal markets.
Interesting. Good to have you here. Thank you, Alan.
Thanks, Angie.